Hi, I'm Kelly, and I came to see Dr. Siegel for Invisalign. I had braces when I was a teenager, and so had crooked teeth on the bottom and thought, this is unfixable. I never want to put metal braces on my teeth. I'm a professional. That will look strange. So with Invisalign, I was able to go to all the meetings that I go to all day and interact in my adult life without having metal on my teeth, and it was relatively painless. And by the time I was done, my teeth were wonderfully straight. It absolutely changed my confidence. So I like to do Instagram blogs about my shoes and fashion and, corporate life and all these things. And every time I did the Insta video, my teeth were what I noticed. So it's probably my favorite thing I've done for myself as an adult. So growing up, the dentist was my least favorite place to go, and I was very scared, but I really wanted straight bottom teeth for the first time in my adult life. And here it was just very calm, very gentle, very efficient. During treatment, Dr. Siegel was extremely calming and kind, gentle. Nothing hurt in this whole process. And I felt each time I would get a new set of trays that it was totally worth it. And it became kind of a fun experience to see my progress and to know that I was getting closer to my goal of having straight teeth on the top and on the bottom. I would absolutely recommend Big Smile Dental and Dr. Siegel to others. Everyone that I see, I tell them how great my experience was here and with Invisalign. And I probably will bring my daughter and have you do the same thing for her, because she's also very jealous and she's like, I want what you have. And I'm like, we're gonna get it for you.